Jai Shri Gurudev. In this class, we are going to learn the third exercise of arithmetic progression lesson. In this lesson, now we are going to find the sum of given below terms. What is the given here? What is given here? Now look at here. In the first problem, they have given 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus dash 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 up to 84. So we have to find out the sum of all these numbers. It means 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 84 up to 84. Here few numbers are there. How many numbers we have to find out first? So what we know now, what they have given here, A is equal to 7 they have given, L is equal to 84. L means the last term of an AP. It means they have given the last term. How to find out the sum? See here, by using arithmetic progression AN formula, we have to find the number of terms n here. So here they have written 323 in this given number. So how to find it? See here, they are given difference is equal to A1. 10 and half minus 7 is what? 21 by 2. It means 7 by 2 is the difference. It means the from first number to second number to 7 by 2 is the difference there. It means approximately it is about 3.5 difference is there. 7 to 10 and half, 3.5 difference is there. So we are going to write it as it is. Then here one more formula is there to find the sum of the n terms, or if they given the last term, we can find out the number of n terms. How many number of terms are there? So by using this formula, L means 84. It's the last number. It's the last given number in arithmetic progression. A means first number, and n minus 1, n value we don't know. So difference they are given it as 7 by 2. By using this, what we will do? We will solve this one. So 77, how it came? 84. If we send the 7 this side, it will become minus 7. 84 minus 7, it will become 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. In the next step, what we have to do? 77 is there. Here into sign is there. Into 7 by 2. If we send this to this side, it will go to the multiplication sign here. You have to multiply 77 into 2. 77 into 2 is what? 154. Here 7 is there. 7 is in the numerator. If you send this 7, that side you will go to the denominator. It means 154 divided by 7. If you divide 154 divided by 7, or otherwise if it is possible to divide it, you can divide it, or otherwise you can multiply 7 to n, it will become 7n, and 7 into 1, 7. If you send the 7 that side, it will become plus 7. 154 plus 7 is 161. 7n is there. If you send this 7 to the denominator, it will become 161 divided by 7. It means 161 divided by 7 means it will become 23. It means the number of terms are 23 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, and the last one is 4. In between we have 19 terms. Okay, total number of terms are 23. So in the next step, what we have to do, in the question they have given sum of the given below terms, we have to find out here. So we don't know the sum now. So now we are going to calculate the sum. Until now, we try to find the number of terms, n. Now we are going to find out the Sn. Sn, what is the value of Sn? What is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the actual formula, but here they have given the last term as 84. So if they have given the last term, we can use the simple formula. What is there here? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l is the last form, is the another one formula. While they have given the last term, if they are given, we can find out by using this formula. So Sn, what? How many numbers are there? Here in the question that we got 23 numbers are there. S23 is equal to n by 2. N by 2 means 23 by 2 into a plus l they have given. A means what? 7 plus l means 84. L, the last term is what? 84. Now if you are going to solve this one, after solving this one, what will happen? 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 is what? 91. 91 into 23, 2093 divided by 2. If we divide 2093 divided by 2, it means 1046.5 will come. Here we have written it as 1 by 2. So we can, in another form, we can write it as 0.5 also. So in the next, another one. So here we have one more problem. They are given it as 34 plus 32 plus 30 dot 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 plus 10. Here also they have not given the number of terms. N number of terms they are not given. So we have to find out by using AN formula. And then we have to use the Sn formula here. See here, we are using AN formula. Then we are going to use Sn formula. By using AN formula, what we can find out? Here already we know that 34 is the first term. A is equal to 34. And difference 34 and 32 is minus 2. It means number is decreasing here. So difference is equal to minus 2. Last number is 10. L is equal to 10. What we have to do? A is equal to 34, they have written it here. So D is equal to difference. If we subtract 32 by 34, we will get minus 2. Minus 2, we have written it here. L, last term, 10. So we don't know the number n. How many number of terms are there? We don't know. So we have to find out n here. So while finding n, L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula, or otherwise an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is also the formula. So last term is 10, we are going to write it as 10 is equal to first term is 34, and n minus 1 into d is what? Minus 2. So if you send this 34 that side, it will become minus 34 plus 10 minus 24 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. 12 is equal to n minus 1. So if we send this to that side, what will happen? It will become 24 divided by 2. It will become 12 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1, if you send it that side, it will become plus 1. 12 plus 1 is what? 13. N is equal to 13 is the number of terms here. It means there are 13 number of terms in the given equation. There are how many numbers? There are 13 numbers of terms are there in the given equation. Now we have to find out the Sn. Wow, how can you find out the Sn? By using the same formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Into a plus l. One more formula is there. If you know everything, n and each and everything, and first number is given, difference is given, and the number of terms is given, we can find out easily by using Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula. But here they are given the last term, so we can use this formula. It means last term means l. So that last number we have to apply it here. It means 10. So here look at here. How many terms are there? 13 terms are there. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2. Sn is equal to n by 2. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10. 34 means what? A first term is 34 plus L means last term it is 10. So if you add these two numbers, it will come as 42, 44. And if you divide 44 divided by 44 by 2, it will become 22. So now 22 into 13 is the required answer. If you multiply these two numbers, you will get the answer. 22 into 3 is what? 22 into 3, 66. 22 into 1, 22. 22 plus 6, 2, 8, 6. 286 is the sum of these two. These all 13 numbers. So next, third problem. Here also, in an AP, they have given it as how they are given. Given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. This is not the last one. Here they have given it in the different manner. In an AP, they have given. What we have to do? A they have given, difference they have given, AN they have given. We have to find out N and Sn. So now, very important one. Now look at this one carefully. How to solve this one? Here they are given A. A is equal to 5. Difference is equal to 3. AN is equal to 50. How to find out? First of all, we have to find out N also and Sn also. We have to find N and Sn. So first we are going to use AN formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Because if we use this formula, we can find out N value here. We can find the value of N. Okay. If we use this formula, we can find the value of N. See here, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula. Already you know that one. And AN is equal to what? 50. Here they have given AN is equal to 50. So we are going to write it as 50. Next thing, what do we have to do? See here. AN is equal to 50 they have given. Difference is equal to 3 they have given. We have written it here. A is equal to 5 they have given. We have written it here. So we don't know the value of N. So we are going to find out the value of N now. How to find out? Use this formula and apply it here. So by substituting these values, what we will get? A plus N minus 1 into D. A means 50. Sorry, A means 50 they have given. A plus N minus 1. N they have not given the value. N minus 1 into D is 3 they have given it as, and AN is equal to what? They have given it as 50. By substituting these values, by interchanging this one, if you send this 5, that's what will happen? 50 minus 5, it will become 45. N minus 1 into 3. 3 into N minus 1 means 3. If you send it this side, what will happen? 45 divided by 3, it will become 15. N minus 1 is there. If you send this minus 1 this side, it will become plus 1. N is equal to what? 16. We will get N as 16. It means the number of terms are 16. Here we can write it as 16. Next step, Sn we have to find out. So First apply the SN formula here. Before applying the SN formula, we know the last term, so we can use this formula. If we don't know the value of last term, we can use another one formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we know the last term, what we can do? We can use this formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here S16, total number of terms, how many terms are there? 16. S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50 equal to, by solving this one, what will happen? 50 plus 5, 55. 55 divided by 2 means it will become approximately, it will become 440. In the next step, S16 is equal to 8 into 55. Okay, 16 divided by 2 means what? 8. 8 into 55 is what? 440. Very simple one. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Here, given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, find D and S13. Find D and S13. Now, carefully look at this one. A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, they have given. Only two terms they are given, remaining terms you have to find out. So, what we will do, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. In the next step, what we will do, An means what they are given, only 13 terms are there. So, A13 is equal to 35. 13th term is what? 35. N is what? 13. Next, An means what? A13 is equal to 35 they are given. So, we will write it as A35. So what we will write? A13 is equal to 35 and A is equal to 7. And here 13 is there. In the place of N, we are going to write it as 13. The next step, what will happen? By solving this one, if you send the 7, that's it, it will become 35 minus 7, it will become 28. In the next step, what will happen? 13 minus 1 is what? 12. 12 into D, 12 day. If you send this 12 into the denominator, it will become 28 divided by 12. So the final answer is 2.33. If we divide 28 by 12, you will get 2.33. So what is the meaning? What is this one? Difference is 2.33. Next, they are asking S13, sum of 13 terms. First term is 7, next term is 2.3. If you add 2.33 means 7, 8, 9, 9.33. Next, further it continues like that, like this itself. In the next step, what we have to do, we have to find out the Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. In this term, what is the meaning of Sn? S13, total number of terms are 13. S13 is equal to n by 2, 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35. The next step, S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 35 plus 7 is 42. 42 is there. If you divide this 42, it will become 21. 21 into 13 is 273. Very simple one. You can calculate easily. Just you have to know about how we are going to substitute these values in this formula. After getting this one, you can solve this problem easily. Okay. The next one. Given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. Here also. A12 is what? A12 they have given. A12 is equal to 37. A12 is equal to 37 they have given. Difference is equal to 3 they have given. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. A12 is equal to A plus n minus 1 means 12 minus 1 into 3. A12 means 37. Here they have given 37. So we can substitute this as 37. 37 is equal to 12 minus 1 means what? 11. 11 into 3, it will become 33. If you send this 33 that side, it will become minus 33. It means 37 minus 33, it will become 4. A is equal to what? 4 is the answer. Now, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. What will happen? Sn, here also we are using the last term formula. S12 is equal to n by 2 means 12 by 2 into A means 4 plus 37. 4 plus 37 means 41. 41 into 6. 41 into 6 means 246. Yes, 12 is equal to 246 is the required answer. Okay, thank you students. We'll continue with the next class.